Okay, so we're going to be talking about rhyme scheme. And when we talk about rhyme scheme, we are really just talking about the end rhyme. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And I want us to look, because if you're just looking at this, you're going to get real confused. First of all, let me direct you back to this part up here. It's going to explain some things in a written form, what I'm going to explain in spoken form. So just remember, you can always look back there. But we're talking about end rhyme. So I'm going to look at the end of every line in this poem. Okay, roses are red, violets are blue, sugar is sweet, and so are you. When we are trying to assign rhyme scheme, every new sound equals a new letter. So a new sound equals new letter. Okay, if you keep that in mind, it won't be as confusing. New sound, new letter. So, red is the first sound that we're going to have. That's why it's given letter A. Blue doesn't rhyme with red, so that's why it has a new letter B. Sweet doesn't rhyme with blue. It also doesn't rhyme with red. That's why it's the letter C. But you does rhyme with blue, and so that's why we're going to repeat that letter B here. So right now, rhyme schemes are pretty easy because on this, we're looking at just nursery rhymes, and they have a pretty easy rhyme scheme, and they're also really short. So if I were going to look at the next one, right down here, on number 1, sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. So I'm going to look at sixpence first. That's a new letter. Or that's a new sound, so it gets a new letter. Gets the A, just the first letter. A pocket full of rye. Rye does not rhyme with sixpence, so it's a new letter, or it's a new sound, so it gets a new letter, letter B. Blackbirds does not rhyme with rye. It does not rhyme with sixpence, so it's a new sound, it gets a new letter. Pie doesn't rhyme with blackbirds, but it does rhyme with rye. So instead of giving it a new letter, I'm going to give it the same letter that we had for rye, which was letter B. Okay? So I'm going to move this up a little bit. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. So, wall, this is a new poem. So, wall is a new sound. It gets a new letter. Fall, hey, that rhymes with wall. So, instead of a new sound, new letter, we've got the same sound, same letter. Men doesn't rhyme with fall, doesn't rhyme with wall. So, it's a new sound. It gets a new letter. And again, rhymes with men, so it's the same sound, so it gets the same letter. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down, hickory dickory dock. So here, we're going to, new sound, this is a new poem, so new sound, new letter. Clock rhymes with dock, same sound, same letter. 1 doesn't rhyme with clock, doesn't rhyme with dock, so it's a new sound, new letter. Down doesn't really rhyme with 1, it doesn't rhyme with clock, it doesn't rhyme with dock, so it's a new sound, new letter. And then dock rhymes with clock and dock again, so same sound, same letter. Whether your poem is 4 lines long or 24 lines long, you're going to follow that same pattern. So, new sound, new letter. That's the biggest thing to remember. Okay, if you have further questions, please email me and let me know how I can help you.